Hello people of the internet, let's get right to the point. You want to know how to fix modding for your project Zomboid server. Just a note, this is not for dedicated servers, this is just for the host function in the base game. So what you usually want to do is you want to go to create new settings. I've already created two just because it's a bit buggy at the moment. So what you usually encounter is that you're gonna add mods over this. I'm just gonna use my preset. Oh wow, I put all of my mods in, didn't even take that long. I mean, it will take a bit now. I'm gonna go on next. Just do it like this. And I'm gonna start up the server and gonna give a brief cut here. So after an eternity, we're back in game now, and as you may see, there's no modded items anywhere. Like I have so many mods. If they were online right now, they would show up somewhere. You would see it on the list that some of these items would say like vanilla food expanded is something I have. You can also check out the cars that I have, or the cars that might be visible here. And you're gonna notice, oh wow, I did it like this. I added all my mods. What is going on? I can't see any of them. I can't see any modded cars. Nothing. So, you wanna know how to fix that, just like I did, because it annoyed the fuck out of me when I tried to host a server and the mods didn't work. So, going back to the example number 2 that I made, you wanna go into settings, you wanna click on edit settings, and you don't wanna fill out this first, you wanna go and head on over to the loading screen of hell, and you want to go to, where is it, you want to go here, you want to go to Steam Workshop, and you want to search for, let's look for something that is the easiest to do, which should be the cheat menu, because we will see that immediately. Cheat menu Phoenix, re-up, okay, it's now here. You can also, I cannot see it here, but you know, that doesn't matter. You will just want to add it here. You will let this load. I mean, that's the safest way I found. You might be able to just add it there in that other mod menu, but this is how I do it. You can add multiple mods as once, that also doesn't matter, but then you want to go here and you want to go for, let me just filter for this. Cheat menu Phoenix, okay, I added that. You can see it here, it's here. You want to click on continue again to enter the loading screen of hell, and you want to click back on mods, and you can see it's now in both of these. Say, I recommend doing it this way first to add it over to Steam Workshop and then do it as I just did, because like I found that it might bug out otherwise if you do it there first and then it doesn't register properly. Anyways, I'm gonna sit through another loading screen, and yeah, I'll see you when the game has finally loaded on this different file. Okay, so we spawned back in, and guess what? Oh, I got the cheat menu now. Wow, that's just the fastest way to check it. All other mods work as well. I've tried that. I mean, all other mods that say that they work for B42 actually do work with this trick. I hope this was helpful. You're probably wondering if there's a way to add them retroactively. As far as, like, I haven't tried it. We can actually try it. Let me let me do an unprofessional cut here, and I return to you with that question. Okay, it's me again. This is the original save that we did that broke. I just remembered, yes, I did that. I actually do know that it's fixed, because I did it on my server. I mean, it's obviously a bit clunky, so you remove all of these. What I always do, just to double check that none of the like mods are like left over or anything like that, I just go through here and look, oh, okay, Steam Workshop's clean, mods is clean. Right, so remember this example 1 file, or doesn't say 1, but it's the one, you know, this was with all the mods that I added into the normal mod folder. It didn't work. Okay, so we go to back. We go back in here. Or we don't go back in here, sorry. So we go back in here to the example files. And we're gonna go to Steam Workshop. We're gonna do the same with cheat menu, just because it's the quickest to show, because obviously if you have something already loaded, I mean, there's stuff to fix that too, but if you have areas that are already loaded, like obviously the mod stuff isn't gonna spawn in that area anymore. So you're just gonna do the same here. You're gonna edit here. Gonna back out. It's reloading right now. Okay, and then you will want to go back. Gonna, in this case, choose the cheat menu. Put it back on. Okay. Now it's loading again, and it's. I mean, obviously, as I said, you can add multiple mods. Like this isn't. You know, I could add all these car mods. I'm just not gonna do it because it's a fuck ton of work. But you see, okay, we got both of these mods in here. Gonna click it. It's gonna load again. And now we can just boot up that server again, and I'm gonna see you in game, and I'm gonna show you that the mod retroactively started working. And as you can see, we're back surrounded by zombies, but wow, I got the cheat menu now. I don't know if it works because I'm not in admin mode, but oh. Yeah, it does, got it, okay. So I cannot take any damage because I'm obviously in dark mode. Oh god, that is loud. That is very loud for me. Turn me into a ghost, please. Thank you. Yeah, so that's about it for this video. If you have any... I died? Oh my god. Well, I mean, that's a fitting end. Anyways, if you have any questions regarding Zomboid servers, bug fixes, or anything like that that you need help with, leave them in the comments. I'm gonna see if I can fix them. Obviously, as you can tell from this, I do have a bit of experience with like server stuff, but my solutions usually require something like witchcraft, not like solutions that are actual good fixes or anything like that. I don't have an idea about programming, so yeah. Well, have a nice day.